Lovelies, welcome back. If you're new, it's so good to have you here. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Click on notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Here are my already chopped strawberries, and I added half cup of granulated sugar. Mix properly, set aside. Why I'm doing this step is because I want tiny pieces of strawberries in my ice cream. If you don't like this step, if you don't want the pieces of strawberries, it's okay to skip it. And in another bowl, add heavy cream or double cream. I'm using 2 cups of heavy cream because I want much ice cream. And I have condensed milk. Oh, I forgot how thick this milk can be. I'm using 1 condensed milk because I'm using 2 cups of heavy cream. Here I have frozen strawberries. Instead of using milk or water, I will add some of the already mixed cream to my strawberry to blend. Blend smoothly. Add it to the cream. Pour in the chopped strawberries, and I added flavor, strawberry flavor. At this point, I don't want to use hand mixer anymore because I don't want the small pieces to be smooth. I'm not satisfied with the color of my ice cream, so I will add more colors to it. I want that really poppy pink ice cream. Here is the bowl that I will be using for the final stage. Cover with clay fan and freeze overnight. So I almost forgot to show you guys the outcome of this ice cream. I had friends over and we just jumped right into it. Here is the final look. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye.